Hello, good day. In this virtual class, let's take a look at this question. In an examination, every candidate took either Latin or mathematics. If there were 1,500 candidates, of whom 79.4% took Latin and 89.6% took mathematics, how many candidates took both Latin and mathematics? Okay. Here, this is set algebra. Now, first, let's use the Venn diagram to illustrate this briefly. If here is Latin, here is mathematics. So we have the unions, the universal sets here. Okay. Now we have to look at the question carefully and see what is to be done first. Here, before we can find the number of candidates who sat for both exam, we must ensure that we find the percentage, because the question is typically based on percentage. We have to know the percentage of students who sat for both subjects. Okay. Now, assuming we say the universal set is, because of percentage, it means 100. And we let the number of those who did both subjects, either mathematics, intersection, Latin, we assume to be x. So we put here, and this is the relation, put here to be x. Then the next, for us to find the number of those who did only mathematics, okay, okay. Let's look for those number who did only Latin first. Number of Latin, that is Latin intersection mathematics complement, is equals to number of those who did Latin minus number of those who did both mathematics intersection Latin. Okay. Then similarly, so in that case, this is going to be 79.4 minus x. So that is for 79.4 minus s. That is for those who did Latin only. Then similarly, the number of those who did only mathematics only, simply means the number of mathematics minus number of those who did mathematics and Latin. So here, this is going to be 89.6 minus x. So here, this is 89.6 minus x. Okay? So we'll manage it this way. Now, for us to, here the universal set, like I said, is 100. Okay? Once we're able to find the percentage of those who did both, we will apply it on the total number of candidates that actually sat for the examination. So here, this is the equation. The number of U is equals to number of L intersection M complement, those who did only Latin, plus the number of those who did only mathematics, plus the number of those who did mathematics and the Latin, plus the number of those who did not do mathematics and the Latin. Okay, using prime here. So, but here, actually it assumes it is 0. Okay. So here we have a 100 is equals to 79.4 minus x plus x plus 89.6 minus x. So this is through a set algebra equations. Okay. Here, what we need to do here minus s plus s is off, and here we have a 100, 79.4 plus 89.6, and that will give 169 minus x. Now, to obtain the value of x, here we move x to the left hand side, move 100 to the right hand side. This is negative, become positive. this positive become negative 169 minus 100. So x is equals to 69, because you know when it's based on percentage, so it's going to be 69%. Okay, now with this we can confidently now calculate or know or ascertain the number of those who sat for both subjects by looking at 69% of the total number of candidates that were available for the exam. So here this is 69 over 100 multiply 1,500. So here is off. So here we have a 69 times 15. That will give 1,035. So the number of students that sat for both, that is x, that is the number of those who sat for both mathematics and Latin, is equal to 1,035. Please, if you like this video, please help me subscribe and also share, and also need comments on how I can do it much more better. See you in my next virtual class.